how to upload any audio or any music or any type of audio file MP3 on your Roblox account here on your browser. For this, what you have to do is simply open the browser in front of you, and on the home page you will see a lot of things, but what you have to do is click on my profile option here on the create of the left top of screen. In the create section you can see there is welcome back to the creator Roblox hub, and from this menu itself you can simply click on the creations, and in the creation option there is an option to create experience. You simply have to click on this option, and let me see that development items. Here there is option to launch your studio, create model and packages. Now only in this section you will be able to upload the audio you have or any file you have. You can upload it because this is the creator hub of Roblox website. So simply click on this launch studio option and enter the audio file you want to upload. Click on that and successfully upload it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.